Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve problem number 29. This is all about finding the resistance across RXY. So whenever you see this network, so we are solving from this side and you try to reduce from opposite side. So here you can see here the current is going to divide in these two resistors connected to the same points. Whenever the division of current is occurring, I can say these two are connected in parallel. So I'm going to get one already existing resistor is 4 ohm, and next one is 3 ohm, and between these two nodes, if you have any doubt, this is node Y, and mark this node as some Z. So I'm marking this node as Z. So between Z and Y node, we are going to have this element. So these two are in parallel. So product of resistance divided by sum of resistance. Product is 4, sum is nothing but 1 ohm. Whenever you observe this problem, so again the current will start flows in 3 ohm resistor and it comes to the Z node and it flows in this branch. I can say here there is no division of resistance. Whenever there is no division of resistance, I can say these two are connected in series connection. Therefore, I am going to get the resistance like this. So this is across the node X and Y. Already we are having 4 ohm. So these two are connected in series. So across the node X and across the node Y. So 3 plus 1 is 4 ohm. So again, I can see here the current enters and current is going to divide. Whenever the current is going to divide, these two are connected in parallel. Whenever two resistors are connected in parallel, the formula for resistors connected in parallel is product of resistance divided by sum of resistance, which is again 2 ohm. Okay, so hope you're able to understand the problem. So I repeat the problem again. These two are connected in parallel. I have obtained one resistor. Okay, so again this resistor and this resistor are in series. I have obtained 4 ohm resistor between the node Y and X and Y. Again, these two are connected in parallel. I had got 2 ohm. So this is the procedure of solving this kind of problem. Just by listening to the problem, nothing you get. So try to make use of this lecture video if you feel the content is useful to you and my problem way of solving is very simple. Please give a like and please share with your friends to make them also to get aware of the problem. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel with the name KV Tulasi Ram. So this is, please kindly support this type of free channel for the betterment of students as well as for the faculty. So viewers, obediently Ram. We'll meet in the next video.